Hello everyone, welcome back to ResearchRover. In this quick tutorial, learn how to draw chemical structures in ChemDraw software using names. So, I will show you a simple shortcut to generate chemical structures as you can see here, like benzoic acid, salicylic acid and many more structures on my screen. We can draw it immediately within seconds by just putting or typing its name in a simple or quick way. So for this, let me start once again. For this, you have to open ChemDraw software, like I am just opening it from here. After it's open, just open a blank page as you can see here. Now you have to use a shortcut key. You have to press Ctrl Shift N shortcut key. Now here a dialog box will appear after pressing Ctrl Shift plus N. So you have to place or type the name of structure of which you want to draw structure, like I am typing phenol like this, and simply press OK. Now look, here it is. The structure of phenol is here. Now again you can repeat it multiple or several times by again clicking on Ctrl Shift N shortcut key here and type another structure's name like aniline, then OK. Here it is. You can see its structure as well. Now I am repeating it once again, like I am putting salicylic acid and then OK. Here it is. So this is the quick and easiest method to draw chemical structures of your desired without any hassle. Repeat the steps as needed to draw multiple structures. Save your time and enhance productivity with this easy trick. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ResearchRover. Hit the bell icon for more quick tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.